Find the slope of the tangent line at t equals 5 for h of t, which is equal to the absolute value of t minus 5. Well, we know through the alternate form that the slope of the tangent line is equal to h prime of a, which can be found by taking the limit as t approaches a of h of t minus h of a, all divided by t minus a. Let's begin by figuring out what h of a, or h of 5 in our case, and if we substitute 5 in here, we get 5 minus 5, which is 0, and the absolute value of 0 is 0. All right, so we need that in our formula. So we have now the limit as t approaches 5 of, we're going to have a minus 0 and then a t minus 5 here. Now the question is, what belongs right here is the question. Well, because this is an absolute value function, we need to convert it or write it as a piecewise function and take both the left and right-handed limits to further examine it. So we can rewrite h of t as t minus 5 for t values greater than 5, and it will be equal to the negative of t minus 5 for t values less than 5. So first, what we need to do is we need to take both the left and right-handed limits as t is approaching 5. So let's do it from the left first. So from the left, it will be this part, which is negative t minus 5, and that's what we would substitute in here. And we have the common factors of t minus 5 in both the numerator and denominator. They cancel out and become 1s. So we have a negative 1 over positive 1, which is negative 1. Now let's try to calculate the limit from the right. So the limit as t is approaching 5 from the right. That one is going to be just regular t minus 5 and then minus 0 all over t minus 5. Well, because 0 is there, we can really ignore it. And then these factors of t minus 5 cancel each other out, and we're left with 1 divided by 1, which is 1. Well, the left and right-handed limits are not the same, so therefore it does not exist. And therefore h prime of 5 does not exist. Or answer choice B.